Hey guys, it's Maddie and John with Best Price Nutrition. Check us out at BestPriceNutrition.com. Check us out on all the social media platforms at Best Price Nutrition, and don't forget to subscribe down below. A lot of you guys have been wondering what flavor is Tiger's Blood, and John and I did a little research this past week, and we found out Tiger's Blood is strawberries, watermelon, with a hint of coconut.
You know, a lot of people think there's cherry in it,
Right.
and I think it's like Superman ice cream. You know, maybe some places do it a little bit differently. Some people maybe add cherry. Were you familiar with Tiger's Blood before
I wasn't.
we got the Tiger's Blood supplements? You know what's weird? It seems like every year there's a couple flavors that get popular and every company starts rolling out. I know Baja Lime was one of the ones in the past year. A couple years ago, like the tea flavors, the peach tea, mango tea, Arnold Palmers were popular. Tiger's Blood seems to be one of the more popular flavors of this year, along with Baja Blast and a few others. Like Medicine said, it's equal parts watermelon, strawberry, and a hint of coconut. And one thing I was surprised to learn, I thought this was kind of a newer flavor, but apparently
It's been around for a long time.
Yeah, it was created back in like the 1940s at a shaved ice shop in Hawaii. And I said, you got family in Hawaii, you should know about this.
I know, I should, but I don't.
A lot of people mistakenly think that it has something to do with Charlie Sheen.
It does.
It's probably before your time, but back when Charlie Sheen was still sort of relevant, 2.5 Men, he kind of wound up going crazy, and he gave some interview where he said, I'm a different breed, I got tiger blood. And I think a lot of people thought that's where the tiger blood flavor came from. But no, this is from Hawaiian shaved ice shops back in the 40s. And so we recently created an entire collection of tiger blood supplements. We'll link down below to where you guys can check that out. We got two products here. What do we got here?
We got a Pollen Assassin, which is a pre-workout, and another pre-workout from Swole AF. It's Escobar.
And we'll continue adding to the collection, but we got a set. It's mostly pre-workouts. There are a few aminos that are tiger blood. Assassin, super strong pre-workout. Ton of DMHA. I think we got some Aerodrensis in here as well. Higamine, Hordenine, Nopep, ton of stimulants. Really, really powerful one here. Oddly enough, Swole AF's El Chapo does not come into tiger blood, but Escobar, which is also...
It doesn't?
No.
I thought it did.
Nope, this one does, but not the other. Escobar is a great pre-workout too. I would say El Chapo is probably the most popular pre-workout we have right now, but Escobar is another great one. Their pump pre-workout, Hulk AF, also available in Tiger's Blood. Rise Supplements, which comes in Ring Pop, Sunny D, Smarties, has a Tiger Blood option. We also got Total War and Big Noise, the stim and non-stim options from Redcon. And I think Redcon was one of the earlier companies to put out Tiger's Blood. And something Redcon does when a flavor is popular, they bring it out across all their supplements. So I think you can also find like Tango and a couple of their amino and muscle building powders also have Tiger's Blood. Redcon 1 Grunt, Redcon 1 Total War RTD energy drinks, Rise Blackout, Pro Sups Hide pre-workout. And I think I want to say Man Sports Iso Amino might also come in Tiger's Blood. But we'll link down below to our Tiger's Blood collection. If you guys like this flavor, let us know.
Let us know what you taste most of.
Yeah, let us know what you guys think of it. I think it's one of those flavors where if you don't know what it is, you're like, ugh. And as soon as somebody tells you, you're like, yeah, totally.
But yeah. Now you know. The more you know.
Now you know.
That's all I got. See you guys.
Later, guys.